Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pause a Facebook group and how you can resume it if it has been a paused Facebook group. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about pausing a Facebook group and what happens when you pause a Facebook group, check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook group marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. So to pause a Facebook group, which basically means that nobody will be able to post on the Facebook group, but it won't be deleted. All you have to do is open up the Facebook group. By the way, this was called archiving the Facebook group, but Facebook has changed the name to pausing a Facebook group. So now it's called pausing the Facebook group. So you have to do is open up the Facebook group, then click on these three dots here. And as you can see, here is the option to pause the Facebook group. Of course, you have to be the admin to be able to pause the Facebook group, but click on it. You can add like any other reason why you want to pause the Facebook group. This is of course useful feedback for Facebook. Then click on continue. You have to confirm that you want to pause the Facebook group. Facebook reminds you that when you pause a Facebook group, it will make it read-only for everyone. Some tools may be limited for admins and moderators when the group is paused. And you can resume it anytime, as we will show you in a second, but click on continue now. As you can see, you can also write an announcement that why you are pausing the Facebook group. You know, if it's a real group, not like this test one, it can be really useful. And you can also set up a resume date and time when the Facebook group would automatically resume. But now we just skip this and click on pause group. And as you can see, this group is paused, and it also says here when the Facebook group was paused, but if you want to resume it, all you have to do is click on resume here. You can also click resume group here, but if you click resume, you have to confirm that you want to resume this Facebook group. I confirm it now, and now the Facebook group is active again and it's back to normal. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.